You can never fail to have a hashtag that relate to your industry or brand. This can be attributed to the current trend in social media platforms that promotes hashtags from all corners. People have become fond of hashtags to an extent that they are increasingly becoming the norm in the contemporary societies. Virtually all industries and brands have hashtags on a daily basis trending on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, amongst many other similar forums. You should therefore be on the lookout for relevant hashtags for your brand. It's only through this that you can identify a trending hashtag on time and act on it accordingly because before it's rendered irrelevant by other upcoming hashtags. The use of hashtag come in handy when you want to align your brand with an ongoing trend. Social media platforms have an amazing way of detecting similar hashtags and pulling them together. This implies that hashtags bring together related posts and brands with common goals. Through this, you can be able to promote your brand to more people who are brought together on Instagram via hashtags. Therefore, making good use of industry related hashtags is an excellent strategy for promoting your brand on Instagram.